In this week's lab, we will be focusing on acid-base reactions. This is a chemical reaction that occurs between an acid and a base. During the reaction, an acid donates a proton and the base accepts it. There is either a strong acid and base or a weak acid and base. The biggest difference between the two is that a strong acid or base completely dissociates into ions, whereas a weak partially dissociates. If an acid or a base is not listed here, it is considered to be weak. In this week's lab, we will be mixing a weak acid and a weak base to see what the effect is by making a volcano. Well, not this exact one. We will need a whole lot of natural resources to pull this one off. Instead, we will be using two simple ingredients. What's up, everybody? We are back in General Chemistry Week 3. Woo! We are slowly making it through, people. Slowly making it through. In this week's experiment, we are going to take it back old school. In elementary school and middle school, I believe at some point everybody made a volcano out of baking soda and vinegar for the school science fair. If not, that is what we'll be doing today. So we will just need our vinegar, of course, our baking soda, paper towel, plastic bottle, and I'm just going to add a plate just to put everything on top just so it doesn't get too messy. So we're going to just jump right into it. We'll start our bottle here. We're going to take our paper towel. Now I think I'm going to do just a half sheet. Just a half sheet here. And we'll pour. We want to put enough but not too much where it can't fit in the bottle. So I think that should be enough. Now the goal is to strategically place this in here so that it fits. Come on. Okay, it's fitting. You gotta push it in. Come on. Almost there. Perfect. We'll take our vinegar. Let's see, watch the magic happen. Look at that puppy go. Go, baby, go. All right. There you have it, our very own volcano. If we mixed a weak acid and a weak base together, why did it cause such an extreme effect? The weak acid in this experiment was vinegar, and it donated a proton to the baking soda, which was the weak base. After the baking soda accepted the proton from the vinegar, it transformed into water and carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide was the gas release, which then caused the explosion of bubbles. Well, that's all we have. Thanks for watching.